How to see archived mails in Gmail. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail and say, for example, that I will archive these messages right here. And now I want to check them and view them. All what I need to do is click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen and then click on all mail. It will open up this page right here in which you will find two types of mails. One of them has the inbox icon at the bottom right of the email and the others don't have it, as you can see right here. The ones that don't have the inbox icon or word at the bottom right of them, those are the archived emails, while the other one are the non-archived ones. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can view and find archived emails in Gmail. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.